First was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights, kept thinking how it did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along, and now you're back from my place. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look on your face. Should have changed that stupid lock, I should have made you live with me. If I had no good just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go, walk out the door, don't turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one that tried to hurt me with a fire? You think I could rumble? You think I'll lay down and die? Oh no, I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to live, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give. I will survive. I will survive.
Nagtarano ba yan? Mamina ka. Era.
It took all the strength I had not to store the heart. Kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent oh so many nights just thinking, crying for myself. I
What are the sound? Recorda que kamasi comment na mga nakamukha the sound. I'm not the chain of little persons still in love with you. And so you felt like dropping in, and so you fed me these free. And now I'm saying all my loving for someone that's loving me. Go on now, go, walk out the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. No, magtawa po pa, Ben.
Ayo anak sambion, deh wah yes, dari dia nak ho, mungkin wawan awal menjadi rumah.
Gotta Come on.
Come on, well.
Someone found a letter you wrote me on the radio, and it said exactly how you felt. It must have fallen out of a hole in your old brown overcoat. It never said your name, but I knew who they meant. I was so surprised and shocked, and I wondered too if by chance you heard for yourself. I've never told a soul just how I've been feeling over you, but they said it out loud. They said it on the air, on the radio. Whoa, on the radio. Whoa, on the radio. Whoa, on the radio. Whoa, on the radio. I'm right back.
Awesome. Will. All right, we